So excited for today's video. I got my first Voxbox from Influenster. So since it's my first box, I want to tell you all about it because I think you're really going to love it if you haven't heard of Influenster. Here it goes. So this is my first box. Basically an app you download it on your phone. This is not a new app, so it's completely legit. This is the only reason I'm sharing it with you. It's completely free, no cost. This is for anyone can join this app. It's not only like if you have a following, if you're a YouTuber or Instagrammer. No, it's for a regular person. They send you product in turn for your review. Literally, that is it. You have to fill out your profile. You just upload your picture and then they ask you for your skin type, your hair type, your preferences, like if you're married, not married, have kids, you have dogs, you have cats, all those things, because Influencer is not only products for like a beauty lover. They literally have, like, if you want to review food, if you want to review like household items like cleaning, they have perfumes, makeup, skincare. You have to check it out. It's everything. So no matter your interest, they probably have something for you to review. Then there's this section that is called snaps, listed by categories. You only want to fill out the categories that you're interested in. I only filled out like skincare, makeup, I think body care and fragrance, like that. You want to try everything, then fill out all the snaps, all right? But don't waste your time. If there's something that you're really not interested in, don't waste your time filling the snaps. You could just like close it out, exit out. You can hide it. Helps them when they have campaigns to know if you are the right person to match with a certain campaign. They have many campaigns a month. I don't know how many exactly. You don't have to have a following. You just have to be active on the app. I sign on every day. I don't even leave reviews every day. Anything that you want to purchase, if you ever want to read first about it, you can go on Influencer. They have a little search. Most likely there's already a review on it. Always be looking out for your email, because when there's a campaign that they think you'll be a right fit for, they will send you an email saying, are you the right fit? And you choose if you want to opt in or out. You do not know what it is, the campaign. I want to try a powder. Would I want to do it? Would I want it matte? If I want to try a fragrance, they ask like, do you like floral? Do you like woody? Do you like spicy? Do you like that? You know? Then they have several brands that you could opt in or out. I've had brands like Elf, Gucci, Oscar de la Renta, just several, Charlotte Tilbury, and I just click on opt in or out. Even if you opt out of some of them, it doesn't matter. It's not going to affect you. You only want to be reviewing stuff that you think is going to be good for you or that you would be interested in trying. So the ones I'm not interested, I just opt out. The rest I opt in. I signed on to this app Influencer, I believe, in December. Another thing I want to mention, you want to make sure that once you get those emails, I don't remember exactly how much time they give you to complete it, but it's not just like, oh, check it whenever. No, it expires because so many people would like to enter. So I don't know if it's 72 hours they give you to complete. You want to complete those emails quick if you're interested. They'll usually tell me, well, they've asked me, you know, to put my address and my name, so I do that. I never got the you're in email. That's what you'll usually receive when you actually got picked for a campaign. Just because you're getting the email that says, are you the right fit, and you answer all these surveys, that does not mean that they're picking you. So I have filled out 4 of them already, and this is my first one that I got approved for. Once you're completing these surveys, like I said, they're asking you many different things depending on what you answered in your snaps. So they've asked me about fragrance, about skincare, about makeup, and at the end they just tell you to opt in to some brands that you may qualify for, and then you may or may not hear anything back. I got the you're in email for this beautiful box, and I almost died when I saw what it was. Oh my god, I have to show you. Look what it is. Look at this, a perfume. And it's a full size, not a sample, so I was very excited about this. This is the Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanca campaign. So when you receive your box, you have to make sure you follow the instructions. This is all they ask of you. They want you to be very honest. It doesn't matter if you say you don't like it, you do like it, whatever. They just want your honest opinion. You open it up, and this is what I got. So it just tells you the fragrance. Each campaign will have different instructions for you. Like it'll tell you exactly where to leave reviews. Sometimes it could be in 2 spots. Sometimes it could be like in 3 different websites. That's pretty cool. They're not requiring me to do this video. That's not part of a campaign. I just wanted to share this with you. I just had to write 2 different reviews. I believe one was Ulta and the other one was the Influencer app. I'm so excited. Just look at this. This is the beautiful package that I got. So just imagine, like, men can sign up for this, women can sign up for this, anyone. They have stuff for anyone to try. And I told my friend, but my friend is so lazy. He's like, oh, I'll see. Like, you can't be lazy to fill out these questions. Like, this is what determines if you qualify or not. This is the beautiful perfume that they sent me. I'm so happy. If you guys have never watched me, I'm a complete perfume fragrance junkie. I have at least 5 videos on my channel. They're like the most watched videos on my channel. I'm completely obsessed with fragrance, so I'm always willing to try a fragrance out. To show you the packaging of this, and this is a 1.7 ounce. Oh my god, just look at this. Can I show you this bottle? Look at this beauty. So is it 100% a fragrance that I'm obsessed with? No. Do I like it? Yes. Have I been using it? Absolutely yes. Look at the packaging on this. Do you see this? What I saw online, they have 3 different like variations of this. Bella Essence, Bella Blanca, and there's like another one, but this is the one from the campaign. And it smells really good. So fresh, modern. I die for packaging, so it's very floral. You have to like floral. But what I love is when you give a fragrance a chance to like dry down, this scent changes. The only downfall I would say is that it doesn't last like the longest, but I'm gonna spray it on right now because I'm not kidding. I really like it. So at the first shot, I don't die for it. Do I think it's nasty? No. I think you'll really enjoy this if you love floral. And then when it dries down, it gives you like this beautiful sweetness because there's a little bit of fruit in there, if I'm not mistaken. It smells so lovely. I just wish it was a little bit more long lasting. Just had to share this with you. This is just one example of a product that you can potentially receive. I'm so glad and so happy that I got to try this. So if you are willing to like write reviews and follow the instructions, you get chosen. It's really easy. Just literally writing a review. I have no problem with that. I highly suggest you sign up for this app. My YouTube channel is not linked to the Influencer app. I don't think they let you link your YouTube. I know you could link, I think it's TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. I just have my Instagram. My following is not big on Instagram whatsoever. Trust me, you don't have to have a big following. Just make sure you go on the app and you write a review on products that you already have home that you can talk about, or maybe you don't have them home but you know you've tried them. Write a review or ask questions. Just try to be like active on the app, not the whole day. That's not required. Even like Influencer has said like in a video, like you don't have to. It's not required that you spend the whole day writing reviews on the app for them to like pick you. I will leave a referral code, okay? Once you sign up, they'll give you your own referral code if you want to refer anyone. So I will leave mine down below in the description for you to check out if you would like to apply. For me, it's a no-brainer. Answer the snaps correctly, they'll only link you to products that you're interested in. Can't wait to keep sharing future boxes. I don't know when is the next time they'll send me Are You the Right Fit email. Hopefully soon, because this is so much fun. Next time if I do receive one, this video won't be as long. I just had to explain it to you the first time around. See how long it takes if I get picked for another one. Thank you so much. I hope this video helped you out. If you were inquiring anything about Influencer, get to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with someone that would be interested, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.